Hi everyone, this is Christine from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Southmont and we will feature another project here in Silang, Cavite. So welcome to Berdea. Everyone, right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa viewing deck ni Berdea. And makikita nyo naman, medyo maulan. So, yung simoy ng hangin, napakalamig. So, talaga namang mararamdaman mo na napakalapit mo na sa Tagaytay. So, actually, this project is very accessible going to Tagaytay. So, kanina, galing tayo from Nuvali area. So, this is just 10 to 15 minutes away lang from Nuvali. And paglabas nyo rin dito, malapit na kayo going to Tagaytay. So here, mataas itong ating kinatatayuan ngayon and makikita nyo naman yan, matatanaw nyo na dito yung mga view nyo. And at my side naman, dito sa kabilang side, makikita nyo yung ating ongoing development for our clubhouse. So this project here in Berdea, this is a 25-hectare development by Albeo Ayala Land. So, minimum lot we're offering here is from 253 square meter up to 497 square meter. And ang ranging na natin dito per square meter, ang price na natin is 42,000. So, tingnan nyo naman, maa-avail nyo yung property dito for only 42,000 and naka-pre-selling pa tayo. So actually, 3 projects pa lang yung ating available dito, which is we have the Hillside Ridge. So ito yung una nating nilaunch dito kay Southmont, and the another one is the Lanewood Hills, and dito yung ating newest project which is the Berdea. Actually, Southmont is the 4th largest estate by Ayala Land. So syempre, most of the buyers pa rin natin ang hinahanap is si Ayala Land. So here in Silang, Cavite, this is the newest project we're offering here. So if you're looking for a retirement property na talaga namang maganda, accessible going to Manila, going to Nuvali and Tagaytay, so this project is definitely for you. So if you're interested and you want to know more details about the property we're selling here in Berdea, please don't hesitate to message us directly at 63-917-513-2484. See you in my next one!